About this item feature: this IR repeater extender kit sends IR remote signal through existing HDMI cable, not included. Support IR frequency 20 kHz to 60 kHz. Max distance of receiving IR sensor up to 70 feet. An ideal solution for those who want to conceal their A/B components equipment inside an entertainment system cabinet or closet for a clean, stylish look. Controls control your IR A/B equipments in a closed cabinet or in another room with your existing IR remote controller. Tested to work on Sky set-top box, Cisco DVD player, Sony stereo receiver, amplifier, game console, satellite TV receiver, etc. using easy and simple setup according to the instructions of the manual. No need extra power adapter. When use IR, please slide the switch of the HDMI adapters to IR, and when use CEC, please to pull out the IR cables, and make sure both the TV and the source device must have the CEC function package. Include 1x infrared receiver, RX mark, with 1.2 m 3.5 mm jack lead, 1x infrared transmitter, TX mark, with 1.2 m 3.5 mm jack lead, 2x HDMI CEC adapters, 1x user manual warranty, 1 year limited warranty and lifetime product support. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item feature: this IR repeater extender kit sends IR remote signal through existing HDMI cable, not included. Support IR frequency 20 kHz.